Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome to Black Diamond Effects Quickie. Now, I've been teaching my students about supply and demand, how to find, valid supply and demand zones, and also how to use inefficiency, which we know as imbalance, to find higher quality supply and demand zones. So this is a chart that I showed them earlier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to erase it right quick. Let me see. Hold on a second. Where's my eraser? I'm going to erase it and then I'm going to show y'all something. Remove drawings. All right. So check it out. Now I want to show y'all, as far as these zones go, these supply and demand zones, there are certain criteria that must be fulfilled, for a good quality supply and demand zone. Let's look at the 30-minute. Okay, so take a look. Now, as looking at what we see right here, right? 9 times out of 10, most people would say look at this as our zone. And they're not half wrong. Because check it out. I want to show y'all something. It looks like a zone. And look, we also have, now there are certain criteria. One criteria is the zone must create inefficiency. So those of you that know what an inefficiency is, we can see we clearly have 2 areas of inefficiency, right? We have one up in here, all right? And then we have this one right here, all right? But looking at the chart, price respected this one right here. Why is that? Why did price respect that one and not the other inefficiency, right? And this is the one that price respected. That's the one that I took my trade from. And I even told my students, I'm like, I would go with this one instead of the top one. Why? Why did I tell them that? Simple. Because of the second criteria that must be met. Price must break structure. All right. So as you can see, price broke this structure right here. Right. So this zone, this would be our zone here. Let me see. I'm trying to make this as smooth as possible. I'm not used to doing these on my phone. This is our zone right here. All right. And look what happened. Smart money fibs. Tap. All right. Look what happened. Tapped it to the T. To the pip. Y'all see that? And then look what happened. Price started making its way back down. And that is why we are selling. And that is why we chose this zone. Another reason, this is the 30-minute time frame. Y'all got to learn how to do multiple time frame analysis, right? Check this out. I'm going to drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Now remember, let's mark up the first zone. Remember, the first zone was here. Right here, right? We will leave that there. That was our first zone, right? And one of the criteria is that it must create inefficiency, right? Check this out. On a 15-minute time frame, look at that. No, there's no inefficiency up there. There's no inefficiency. This candle came. We had this candle. This wick came up. No inefficiency there. This one came down. There's hardly no inefficiency right up in here. But look at this big inefficiency right up in here from this wick to, it was this wick, but then it became this wick. Then it became this wick, and then it filled it right here. It filled it right there, and then look what happened. After it filled it, on our way down the road. All right? On our way down the road. That's why my team and I took a sell from this area to the pip right there. I'm like 50 pips in profit because I caught my trade. Matter of fact, I went down to, and I caught a zone up in here. Let me see if I can find it right quick. It was, I want to say up in here somewhere. All right, now let's drop down a few time frames. 5 minutes. Yeah, I caught this. Hold up. 3 minute. It was 1 minute. Let me see. I'm trying to find the one that I caught just to kind of show y'all. All right, it was. All right, I can't even recognize it anymore. I had it marked, but I erased it because I had too much drawing on my chart, and I was trying to show my students. I was trying to pinpoint something. But the one I caught, it led me to where we currently are at 50 pips in profit. But I just wanted to show y'all that. Y'all want to learn to trade with Black Diamond FX? Inbox me, hit me up. I'll show y'all how to catch these high quality trade setups. Look at this, it's still going. Still. And man, look, time freedom, financial independence, all that. You can use your money to start other businesses. Look at that. Y'all watching this, it's dropping. This is currently happening. This is not no replay mode. This is not no erase part of the charts, and nah, this is live. This is happening live. Do y'all see this happening live, right? Black Diamond FX. Holla at me later. Deuces.